guys, welcome back to my channel What Shelly Says, and today's video is going to be a makeup basics video again. And today we'll be seeing how to color correct, conceal and highlight, and for that I'll be using my Kryolan Derma color palette, which is a 12 color palette. I've bought this palette recently and trust me guys, this is the best base palette I have ever used. You can actually have a look at the 12 colors, so this is like all in one palette guys. You have a color corrector, you have base colors, you have highlight colors, you have a contouring shade as well. So what else do I need? I have all of this in one palette, and this is so high coverage that I don't need any other foundation to top up my base. So this is like very high coverage as well. So for the color correcting, I have orange, I have green, I have this yellow, and I have this red shade. For the base, I have all these colors which can actually match almost all the skin tones, and then you have these dark shades for contouring. So you can see this palette has it all and you don't need any other palette. So this is like my ride or die currently. I am in love with this palette. Without any wait, let's quickly see how I color correct, conceal and highlight my face. So I've prepped up my skin, and as you can see I have these dark under eyes and the lid is somewhat also pigmented. So to cover that up and conceal it, I'll be using my orange color corrector. And if you have some blackish skin or black patches on your face, then this dark colored red corrector will be the best. And in case you have some red spots or there is acne and there is redness around it, then you have to go with this green color corrector. And if there are some violet colored patches, or there is something purpley or purple patch onto your skin, then this yellow corrector will be the right pick for you. So for now, I'll be using the orange color corrector to conceal the under eye area. And if you have any dark patch, any dark pigmentation areas on the face, you can actually give a wash of the orange color corrector all over your face, so that when you apply the foundation, no dark spot is there and everything is seamless and flawless. To apply the color corrector, I'll be using my Real Techniques pointed foundation brush. So I've taken the orange corrector on the brush and now I'll apply it on the areas which are pigmented. Once you're done applying the orange corrector, make sure you blend it a little so that the corrector is evenly spread on the pigmented area. I'm done with the color correcting part. Now I'll quickly go ahead and do my base and return for the highlight routine. But one thing you have to keep in mind while applying the foundation, that because you've applied the color corrector underneath the foundation, you have to blend it in the dabbing motion. You don't have to swipe the brush here and there, because that will move the color corrector from its place, and there's a high chance that the orange color corrector might show up on the, while it's blended with the foundation, might show up on the skin. So just blend the foundation in the dabbing motion so that the color corrector and whatever you've applied underneath stays in place. So I'm done with my foundation base, and I do have a tutorial on how to apply foundation. You can check it out right here. For highlighting, you should always pick up a shade which is 2 shades lighter than your actual skin tone. So for my skin tone, I'll be using this shade D4 for my highlighting, and I'll be using this color to basically brighten up all the high points of my face. Now let's see the basic places where you need to put the highlight. So you place the highlight between the brows, over the brows, on the bridge of your nose, this triangular area under the eye, just below the contour line, on the cupid's bow and on the chin, because as these are the places which are actually the high points of your face, and whenever the light falls on the face, these have to be really brightened, and this should reflect glow and sheen. So these are the basic places where you need to put the highlighter. To apply the highlight, I'll be using my Real Techniques dome shape brush. So I've applied the lightest shade on the regular areas, and by using my Real Techniques buffing brush, I'll be blending all of this out. So guys, this is how it looks when I've blended all the cream highlight, and you can actually spot the difference that places where I've highlighted is much more brighter and it reflects more light than the other places where I've not applied the highlight. And to set your highlighter so that your highlight stays in place all day long and it does not budge, you have to set it with a setting powder, and for that I'll be using my Color Essence Mineral Makeup Compact Powder, and I'll be setting all the places where I've cream highlighted. So this is the final look, guys. I've done my whole face and this is how it looks. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like my highlight tutorial, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Till then, bye!